Hello everyone, this is David of Grow and Eat This. January 25th, a couple of days ago, Dixondale Farms delivered my onion plants. Can you believe that? This is 2 bundles. Look how many onions they've sent in 2 bundles. Outstanding. Now these are the Grain X type that make the Vidalias in South Georgia. Well, up here they make a pretty unbelievable onion here too. So we're going to get some of these planted. When they arrived it was down in the 20s, just way too cold. And of course now being typical for Lawrenceville, Georgia, now we're in the low 60s and it's raining. It's been raining for 2 days. But I'd rather plant them in a little bit muddy, warm than 20 degrees. And a little easier for me too. So I got a few weeds here popping up I got to knock down. We'll start with that. See, I had this all buried in leaves. Pull this leaf mulch over. Too hard to plant in the middle of it. Make sure that the onions get some dirt. So we'll just pull it over to the side, and then as the plants take root, we can put it back in to mulch around them. So, got that done. Now we need to make some rows. Gives me 3 rows to start with. Grab a bunch of onions. Let's get started. Don't want to go too deep. Just enough, more or less, to hold the plant up. Got your soil ready like this is. Not too bad. Just kind of push them in with your fingers and cover them up with your fingers. In the summer I had sweet potatoes, as you can see. Okay. Need to make a few more rows and I can keep going. Alright, as you can see I got the whole bed planted. That's a 4.5 foot by 6.5 foot bed. And despite, look how many onion plants I got. I can have another pretty good sized bed planted, but I'll have to get one ready. Dixondale Farms. If you haven't ordered your onion sets, or you want some really good onion sets at a really good price, you could probably still order them, particularly if you're further north. But they'll ship them to you when you need to have them. All you got to do is plant them. They'll send you directions on how to fertilize them and take care of them. And come a couple, 3 months from now, with a little luck and Lord willing, we'll be pulling up some outstanding onions. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia, January 25th, 2:30 in the afternoon. And amazingly, it hasn't rained while I'm doing this. And it's about 63, 64 degrees, and I'm sweating like a pig. 3 days ago, it was 10 degrees. So, boy, I tell you, tough times here. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see how these do as they go along during the year.